Summer demands additional care and management of our body and mind. To keep yourself hydrated, to manage the excess sweat, and to manage your skin, needs to be given an additional focus among all summer issues. Tanning of skin from the scorching sun is one of the most common issues. Here are some simple home remedies to manage the tanning of skin. First, cucumber juice. Cucumber juice has a very soothing and cooling effect on your skin. The vitamin C in it also keeps your skin moisturized. It effectively reduces sun tanning. Cut few cucumber slices and squeeze the juice out of it. Apply the juice on your face and neck and let it dry. After 20 minutes, wash it out with warm water. Second, coconut milk. Coconut milk is highly nourishing and highly hydrating for the skin. It helps in restoring the lost moisture, vitamin C and mild acid present in. It helps removing the tanning of the skin. Take coconut milk, take a cotton ball, and dip it in the coconut milk. Dab that ball on your face and neck. Let it dry and then wash it out with warm water. Third, grand flower turmeric and milk. Turmeric is an excellent skin brightening, and Bengal gram flour, or what is called a basin, lightens the skin effectively. Take little ground flour, put pinch of turmeric in that, and make a paste with milk. And then this paste should be applied on face and neck. Let it dry and scrub it out with warm water. For lemon juice, honey and sugar. The citric acid in lemon lightens the mark. The honey gives a cooling effect to your skin, whereas sugar acts like a scrub. Take a spoon of lemon juice, put honey in that, and then try and put a little sugar in this mix. This and rub that on your face and neck. Let it dry for some time, and then wash it out with warm water. Citric acid in lemon lightens the mud. Honey is a very strong moisturizer, and sugar works as a scrub, and that really clears your skin very effectively. Yoga techniques. Here are some yoga techniques which would help you in the management of skin care among the ASM Tras. Second Ala, third Arsan is Sir 1 gem. Next are Kriya in yoga in Korea. The first Kriya is Jalen, and do little Kabal body, that is breathing in, breathing out of the air in the nostril to dry up the water. Second, Korea is Kala. Next yoga technique is Pranay, in this hot climate. What you need is cooling down. And so here is a pram called a sit prana in Siddhi Pranay. Sit in meditative post, back and head straight. Roll your tongue as like a hollow tube, and breathe in from your mouth. It helps in cooling the system with chili. You don't get that hot flashes on your face. It does not eat you up, it keeps you relaxed, and that helps in the management of skin care. Sixth, sun protection. The major cause of tanning is due to strong sun rays, which has UV rays and that tans the skin, to make sure that you don't expose yourself too much to this harsh sun rays. If exposure to hot sun is unavoidable, then you should manage it with something else, like take an umbrella and cover your head. Wear a cap and protect your head. Cover your face with scarves. Sunscreen can be used, ideally any sunscreen with sun protection factor between 15 to 25 plus, will help protect you from daily sun exposure. However, if you are staying outdoors for a long period of time, then go for higher SPF. Make sure that you buy a broad spectrum sunscreen. That is one simple natural way to protect your skin from UV rays. And that is take up a cup of unboiled milk, put a few drops of lemon in that, and apply that on your arm, on your face, on your neck, the part which is exposed to sun, and leave it as it is. It will dry up, and it will not bother. You can maybe just wipe it out with a wet towel and leave it as it is. You will be protected. This milk with little lemon is a homemade sunscreen. All these things will keep your skin healthy.